Tired of Mint Mobile and ready to break free? Canceling your Mint Mobile service isn't as complicated as you might think, but there are a few crucial steps to follow, so let's dive right in. First things first, the most important thing you can do is to disable auto-renewal. To do this, log into your Mint Mobile account either through their website or using the Mint Mobile app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or searching for a settings option within the menu. From there, select the plan settings or payment options section. Look for an option labeled automatic renewal, autorefill, or something similar. Toggle that switch off. This is how you prevent Mint Mobile from automatically charging you for another service period. Keep in mind that even after disabling auto-renewal, your service will continue until the end of your current billing cycle. It's really important to understand that canceling mid-cycle usually doesn't get you a refund for the unused portion. Make a note of when your service is set to expire. Now, for the final step, technically, disabling auto-renewal is often all you need to do to discontinue service. However, to be 100% certain and remove your payment information from Mint Mobile, they recommend contacting customer support. Find their contact info on the Mint Mobile website or through the app. It might be a phone number or a live chat option. Calling support can ensure that your account is fully closed. That's it. You've canceled Mint Mobile. Now you're free to explore other options and find a provider that better suits your needs. Good luck.